We need to sharpen the shoulder line to enhance the aggressive stance.
I agree. Let's adjust the dimension of the front intake slightly.
Look at the CFD results here. The airflow around the A-pillar needs improvement.
Let's adjust the surface continuity on the mirror housing.
We need to reinforce the passenger cell frame. Apply the high-strength composite overlay.
Rerunning the simulation. The stress levels are normalized. In the fifth step, the finished clay model is scanned using high-precision laser systems.
The symmetry on the wheel arch is spot on with the digital file.
Agreed. This is the one. Let's lock it in.
The frontal impact simulation shows excellent energy absorption here.
Yes, the rigidity optimization is working perfectly.
In the eighth step, production begins on the factory floor. Robotic arms weld aluminum in high strength.
In the 10th step, stamped panels are assembled into a full body shell. Robotic arms lift, align, and weld each panel together with millimeter precision.
Symmetry is perfect.
Alignment looks good here too.
Approved.
The car body is thoroughly cleaned. Automated washing systems remove dust, oils, and metal particles from the surface.
In the 13th step, the body shell is dipped into an anti-corrosion bath. Protective coatings cover every hidden...
In the 15th step, the luxury car receives its signature color. Robotic arms spray multiple thin...
In the 16th step, the painted body enters a heat-curing oven. Controlled temperatures bake the paint, hardening the finish and locking in color.
In the 8th step, the transmission and drivetrain are assembled. Gear sets, shafts, and differentials are installed.
In the 9th step, the painted body and rolling chassis are joined. The body is slowly lowered onto the chassis using synchronized lifts.
Did you verify the climate control harness connection?
Yes, the scanner showed green. Moving to the next chassis.
In the 22nd step, the dashboard support frame is installed. Precision mounts secure the structure to the body with vibration-resistant fasteners. The central infotainment system is integrated. Software is flashed into the system, enabling navigation, media, actions. In the 25th step, the climate control system is installed. Air ducts, vents, and temperature sensors are fitted behind. In the 26th step, the seat frames are mounted to the floor. High-strength rails allow precise adjustment and smooth movement.
In the 27th step, premium seat upholstery is installed. Multi-layer cushioning provides comfort.
In the 28th step, interior door panels are assembled. Controls for windows, mirrors, and locks are installed.
In the 29th step, the steering wheel is installed. Control buttons, sensors, and airbag modules are integrated.
In the 30th step, the center console is installed. Cup holders, storage compartments, and control interfaces are...
In the 33rd step, advanced safety systems are installed.
In the 34th step, wheels, tires, and braking systems are installed. Brake calipers, discs, and patrons.
In the 35th step, the suspension system is installed. Shock absorbers, springs, and control arms are...
In the 36th step, all essential fluids are added. Engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid.
In the 38th step, the vehicle undergoes simulated road testing. Roller dynamometers, exterior lights and glass are installed. Headlights, taillights, and indicators are aligned and tested. It's open. In the 4-2nd step, the paint finish is inspected under special lighting. High-intensity lamps reveal before.
In the 43rd step, exterior trims and brand badges are installed. Chrome, gloss, or matte. In the 44th step, weather seals are tested. The car enters a water spray chamber, simulating heavy.
Precise wheel alignment is performed. Computerized systems adjust camber, toe, and caster angles. Wheel balance is verified to eliminate vibrations.
In the 46th step, brake systems are tested. Brake force, response time, and balance are measured.
In the 47th step, steering systems are tested. Steering response.
The wind buffeting is peaking here at 70 hertz.
Can we adjust the dampening schedule?
In the 49th step, climate systems are tested. Cooling, heating, and airflow distribution are measured.
The acceleration curve looks consistent with the last run.
Yes, but look at the lateral load during the hard cornering here. We're seeing some instability.
In the 52nd step, emissions and efficiency are tested. Exhaust output is measured under controlled conditions. In the 53rd step, the interior receives a final review. Stitching, panel fitment. In the 54th step, a full software diagnostic scan is performed. In the 55th step, protective films are applied. Sensitive surfaces are covered for transport safety.
In the 57th step, logistics planning begins. Vehicles are assigned shipping routes and schedules.
In the 58th step, the vehicle is transported. Special carriers protect the car during transit. In the 59th step, the dealership performs inspection. Protective films are removed. Systems are rechecked before.
Each vehicle is checked against customer specifications. Options, colors, and packages are verified. Any customization mismatch is corrected.
Airbags, seatbelt sensors, and crash sensors are fully tested. Emergency systems are validated for proper response.
Tire pressures are set according to specifications. TPMS sensors are tested for accuracy.
A transparent protective coating is applied. This increases scratch resistance and longevity of paint.
All windows, sunroof, and panoramic roof are tested. Smooth movement, water tightness, and alignment are verified.
Performance and comfort confirmed. How are the electronic systems?
Just performing the final calibration now. Everything looks optimized.